Hey, what's going on? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can update property information, addresses, or contact information that's already in the system. And what I mean is, let's say you just want to update to make sure the most up-to-date address, mailing address, person's name. Let's say you have a list of spouses' names that you want to attach to the regular homeowner's name, or for example, county. So as an example, if you saw my last video, I showed you how to import a list, and I actually imported a list of pre-foreclosures into the system in New York. But I forgot to have a column of what county it came in. So what I can easily do is I don't need to delete the old addresses. I can literally just use the same spreadsheet, add a column of the county, make sure it's on every cell, and now I'm going to re-import it back in the system. Now I like to filter between counties. I want to make sure all the properties have the county in them, just because we do work in multiple counties in a state. So of course I want to be able to filter by county. So by default there isn't a I guess a match or column or whatever of a county in it. So I have to go and create one. So I am going to go to settings. I'm going to go to custom fields. I'm going to put county right there. Then hit submit. All right, there we go, success. So I'm going to go back to import. I'm now going to take that exact same list, but now it's updated. Hit next. And then as you can see here at the bottom, we now got county. That came from my spreadsheet. And we can see right here now there is a county option. Hit that. Hit next. I'm going to hit, it is in the NOD. Create a tag. I think I'm just have it updated. And then I'm going to hit submit. And what it will do is it will actually just go, and when you upload a list, even though it's the same property information, it will go and it'll find if there's the exact same property in there, and it'll just update it for me. So I don't really need to put a new tag or anything. I probably didn't really need to put a new list. But now when I go to filtering, it will just update the original property information and now add the county to it. So you can do that for anything. If any time you just need to update your previous contact information instead of deleting it and then importing the new one, you can literally just import the new one and it will just go ahead and update the old record. Hey, thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. If you got any value or you learned something new, go ahead and do me a favor and hit that like button. And then also there should be a subscribe button that pops up right here. You'll definitely want to hit that button too, because every single week we're always releasing new educational content, tutorials, up-to-date stuff to teach you more about real estate investing strategies, marketing, tech tools, softwares, integrations, and all that great stuff to help you scale your business. And then also there should be a couple more videos right here that you should definitely watch. I mean, you're already here, you might as well watch them. If you're in a playlist of ours, playlist right there, next video right there, definitely should check out more content that we have. And if you want to, do a quick shout out or ask us a question, hit it in the comment section. We're always responding and replying to everybody. So see you in the next video.